Ito yung aking macaroni spaghetti. I'm going to use ground beef, a little bit of cheddar sausage, garlic, and onions. Very simple ingredients lang, guys. The pasta. Let's put the ground beef. So guys, maglalagay ako ng carrots para medyo may gulay naman yung macaroni spaghetti natin. Ikan natin yung beef. I'll put the garlic and the onions. Pagsabayin na natin. And let's put the cheese sausage, cheddar sausage I mean. Let's put the carrots. Ground black pepper. Just wait na mag-caramelize lahat. And then we'll put the sauce. So guys, ayun na. This is the sauce that I'm using, guys. Naubusan na ako ng ragu. Because, ayan. I put some water dito para masaid ko yung carrots kasi medyo madaming nakadikit sa around ng wall. First, I put water sa loob ng jar para masaid ko rin. Kasi medyo thick yung sauce na to. So para medyo naman mag-watery yung natin. There. And now, timplahan na natin siya ng Parmesan cheese. Seasoning powder or yung ginisa mix. Container. Nasa malaking pakete siya. So, kaya nilagay ko siya dito. I will put some beef powder. I will let my daughter to put the sugar. Come on, hold this. Hold this. Okay. Let's put half tablespoon of sugar. There you go. Good job, baby. Hindi pwede mawala ang Eden cheese. Okay lang. Padagdag lasa. A little bit of Italian seasoning. I'll get some extra sauce for our plating later. Now I'll put the pasta. That's it, guys. Ito yung fish sticks. Para meron naman tayong partner sa ating macaroni spaghetti. Ito yung ating macaroni spaghetti. I added 3 tablespoons of ketchup, guys, kasi medyo napuputlaan ako and then nakukulangan ako sa tamis. So, ayun, dinagdagan ko siya kaya mas dark color na siya ngayon. More. Hindi siya kumakain ng sausage kaya iwasan ko makakuha ng sausage. There you go. This is my husband's plate. My plate. This is the extra sauce. This is for plating. Malasa. And the Parmesan cheese. For my daughter, I will put some Parmesan as well. 3 for my daughter. This is how it looks like. This is my plate, and this is my husband's plate, and this is our daughter's plate. I put some apples. Careful! Here, Mama.
There you go, baby. Careful.
Let's go. Yeah, but there's no corn.
Ah.
I used all the sausage because it's very real.
Right.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
Red.
So good. Mm.